Good morning, children. Welcome back once again for our class. So, as I was dealing yesterday about Alice in Wonderland, the same particular chapter today also I am taking. So, please open all of you page number 20. Page number 20. See, yesterday I explained to you the above paragraphs how Alice was in a particular hall where she is totally confused. She is not able to come out from that particular room. Now, further explanation I am going to give you. So, just please pay attention. Paragraph number 4. See there. There seemed to be no use in waiting by the little door. So she went back to the table, half hoping she might find another key on it. So what has happened to her, to this particular girl, Alice? She has gone back to the room to find out some more keys so that she can open the doors. Okay. Or at any rate, a book of rules for shutting people up like telescope. So it is some kind of, she is not at ease. She is feeling boring over there. She is thinking that as we see something from the telescope and we view things from far or from we see things which is very far, we see near with the help of telescope. So it is an instrument, telescope, you see, meaning is that telescope is an instrument by which we see far things near. Telescope. Telescope, we see things which are very, very far, we see near. See very far things, we can see very near. So this is the verb of telescope. Okay. Now, this time she found a little bottle on it, and round the neck of the bottle was a paper label with the words "Drink me." So, see, "Drink me." It was written over on the neck of a bottle. It was written with the words "Drink me" beautifully printed on a large letter. So it is very, very magical type which she is experiencing. First she found the key. Now she has gone back to that particular table or three-legged table. She has found drink. Okay. So children, how this particular girl is amazed to be in that particular hall or a very big room. Next paragraph you see. What a curious feeling. Curious here means what a odd feeling. Curious. It is very curious, odd feeling. It is something odd feeling, curious. It is very odd feeling. What a curious feeling, said Alice after she finished drinking the liquid. Liquid here means drink. Liquid means here drink. It is that particular drink. I must be shutting up like a telescope. So she is comparing like there is a similarly used. She is as if she is like a telescope. She is closed up in that particular room. She cannot move here and there as she likes when she is there in that particular room. Next paragraph, last paragraph. And so it was indeed, she was now only 10 inches high. See, after drinking that particular drinks, she is magically only 10 inches high. And her face brightened up at the thought that she was now the right size for going through the little door into that lovely garden. So what was her thinking? What was her imagination? What was her dream? That now after drinking that liquid, this drink, she thinks that I can go through that small narrow door. And so she is amazed and she is very much excited and surprised to go there after drinking this particular drink. She wants to go in that particular garden where there are very beautiful, many beautiful flowers are there. Now first, however, she waited for a few minutes to see if she was going to shrink any further, if she was going any further through that passage or the small door. She felt a little nervous fear or exciting, tension. So she felt a little nervous about, next page, about this, for it might end, you know. So what was her thinking? If I go through this small passage, I may end up my life. So that was her thinking, that was her dream and thinking. Said Alice to herself, in my going out together like a candle. So it is like she is comparing like a candle. The candle is small in size and the hole is also small in size. She cannot pass, a human being, human person cannot pass through the small narrow door or a passage. Okay, now I wonder what I should be like then. Then now she is totally confused. What shall I do now? A small candle can go through this passage, but like me, girl, I cannot pass through this particular narrow door. So that is her thinking. She is thinking, and totally she is confused. Next time, I wonder what I should be like then. And she tried to fancy what the flame of a candle is like after the candle is blown out, or she could not remember ever having seen such a thing. So first of all, when she entered in that particular big hall, she could see different types of lights were burning, and the flame of the light is, we have seen in our houses, and yes, especially in our houses we have seen the flame of light, how the light burns. When it burns, it looks very colorful and it goes upward. Similarly, she is comparing, if this particular flame can go up. If I could become like that of flame, I can enter through this small gate and I can go and remain in the beautiful, a wonderful land, a field, or garden. Okay. Next paragraph. Next paragraph, page number 21. After a while, finding that nothing more happened, she decided on going into the garden at once. See, she is not able to do. Now, see what she has done is, nothing happened. She decided on going into garden at once. All of a sudden, she wants to go into that particular beautiful wonderland garden. When she got to the door, she found she had forgotten the little golden key. She is now trying to enter through that small gate or door, but now she has forgotten that small golden key in which she opened that small door. And when she went back to the table for it, she found she could not reach it. Okay, once again she is going back for the key. She is going back to find that particular key. But once after having that drink, that magical drink, she has become small in size, very small in size, and she is not able to reach that table or to bring that key from the table. And see, and when she went back on the table for it, she found she could not reach it. She could not reach. She could not manage to reach that key. When she had tried herself out with crying, the poor little thing sat down and cried. So what is happening to that particular girl? When she is not able to bring that particular key, she is continuously crying. She is very, very sad. So, my dear children, students, let us continue this adventurous story. And today I have completed it here. So, again, further I will be explaining to you about this particular Alice in Wonderland. I will explain again. So, it is enough for today. Thank you.